Pronunciation of difficult words, Part 2. Pinched, quarreled, blocking, demon, edging, clamps, shrieking, ravished, fleeted, picked, frogs, devil, hind, wanderings, apprehensive, sting, tittering, outstretched, confess, scraggy, seldom, peeping, parrot, notebook, spreading, carefully, stung, slanting, smelly, disclose, stepped, promotion, hunting, fluttering, noticed, prickly, viciously, bristles, hinging, rend, instructed, destroying, haunt, seized, aiming, sharpened, filthy, callous, hurting, gently, discouraged, thirsty, smear, touches, butterfly, close, roamed, clang, wits, rag, rim, purged, shrubs, forgive, sip, panting, downward, shouted, semi, hitting, antics, stutted, handed, oddest, luggage, destroyed, stored, implore, relaxes, harming, corrugated, torment, dislodged, scared, flew, bulged. Thank you.